Today, together with EB Cars, I present you the Mercedes E220 with a lot of option, E63S OPTIK. So you can see this beautiful machine. This car is so beautiful. It has panorama. It has this black accent. It has carbon AMG. I don't know if it's some kind of spoiler. V8B turbo. It's not the V8B turbo, but this car is meant to look like a V8B turbo. Very beautiful car. This car has original AMG E63 2019 rims with Michelin's Performance Pilot Alpine 5 winter tires. That's pretty much brand new. Inside it has a full widescreen with ambient lighting, panorama roof throughout. Is an AMG E63 front with black details. This car is, I think, Europe's most beautiful E220. I've never seen like this options and with original rims and stuff like this. This car is for sale at EB Cars in Uddevalla. He's a car dealer. You can turn on the car. It's low kilometers on the car, like you see. The car is fully spec'd with GPS, Bluetooth, whatever you like. It has also this open panorama. AMG steering wheel. Is a 9G-tronic gearbox. This car has 100 kilometers. It takes 4.5 liter when you drive it 100 kilometers. So it's a low consumption of diesel because this car is a diesel. This is more for a guy or family that has or likes the AMG versions and wants a diesel family car, have their kid back here eating ice cream, panorama roof, everything you have in an original one, but still drive very economical. Take a little test drive. I don't have my belt on, so that's why it does this. The car has cameras that shows which speed it's here. Its here is 50. It has this good sound system. It's here. You can see here, you can even change modes at this display. So I only know how to do this. I think it is in settings. Here you have it. And here you can choose. Here you have some Views of setting, you have eco mode, you can choose here navigation. Yeah, you have a lot of things to choose here. Display, I like the navigation there, actually looks good. I don't know what this is, but yeah, you can even change this to a different, I think, different screen. Maybe here. You see here everything. The car has 0 faults. It has full tank of AD Blue. You can see everything here. Tire pressure, Assistant Plus. This is a service. Coolant. The car is newly started, so it's not warm yet. Oil level, what it should be in half. Yeah, the car is fully loaded. I will see if they show me how to change this. So that I will show you later. But the car is very beautiful. You have paddle shifters. In principle, if you press, you see number 2. If I press one more time, you see number 1. And if I take this down, it will go back to D. Very beautiful car. This has touch. This is touch here. It's a very beautiful car. It has these crystal LED lights back. This is extra on these cars. It has black AMG emblems. I would like this black also, but they can, somebody that buys it, make it black very easily with some foley. Maybe some company they make some foley. This is dirt. It has these black AMG tips. They are putting smoke outside. This is being painted because somebody stole this from the parking, so they bought a new one and it's being painting for the car. It has the E63S logo. Somebody that does not know, they don't need to know what it is. You have ISOFIX for the kids. You can put down the seats. You have electric buttons for this here. So you can do it from both sides and you can remove this. So you get a lot of more place for if you need to take something with you. You have also electric tow hook. You press the button here and you're gonna come up here. Some red details there. Press the button again, it will blink and it will go down. You can press this in, so it will go down.